everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite Louis Vuittons that I absolutely love. It is a vintage piece. Let me show it to you here. It is, look at this here. It is the Takashi Marukami Louis Vuitton in the cherry cerise. I think that's what it's called. I'm not really sure. But this is the Speedy 25, and I think this is so gorgeous. The leather on here looks amazing, as you can see. There you go. You can see that it looks great. The brass looks amazing, as you can see. And there is a date code in here. Let's see. It says it was made in March of 2005. I think he made these purses, I guess, in 2004. I'm not really sure, but I think it is the cutest purse ever. I did pick it up pre-loved, as you can see, and I got the lock and key with it, and the lock looks great. I did clean it with Brasso, and it does such a good job, as you can see. Okay, and I purchased this pom-pom here. This is Michael Kors. I got it on a special. It was a sale and then an additional 30% on top of that. So I thought that would look really cute with this purse. And as you can see, I have stuff in there already. I have my Emily wallet in the bloom. I love this wallet. It is just so cute. It actually holds my iPhone X. There you go. See, my iPhone is right in there. So if I want to go to the grocery store and just go, I can fit it right in there. Got my key clay in there. I'm sorry, the 6-ring key holder. I don't know why I always get that confused. My pochette, which I carry majority of the time. Got to carry my glasses. And I have on here on the D-ring, this is my key clay. So I have it attached onto there. So if I need my change real quick, or whatever I put in there, sometimes I'll put my driver's license, my credit card, and some change in there, receipts. I have it right there where I can find it real easily. But the inside of this purse looks amazing. I don't know if you guys could even see, but for a purse that's about, I don't know, it's pretty old, about 13 years old, it still looks amazing, as you can see. So I think that looks so good. The zipper looks great, and the bottom, this purse is just the cutest purse. I love it. Let me show you what it looks like on. Okay. So how I would carry this purse is just like this. On the crook of my arm is what I normally carry my Speedies. I do have another vintage piece that I had purchased a while ago. It is the brown watercolor purse in a 30. It's a really pretty purse. As you can see here. And today I am wearing my outfit of the day. This is an H&M t-shirt in the rose nude color, and one of my favorite jeans. It's from Ann Taylor Loft. I love their jeans. I always get their skinny jeans and it fits great, and obviously I get it in petite because I'm tiny. And then I am wearing my Gucci Marmont GG belt in the dark cocoa, which I love. I didn't think I would like dark brown, but to me it looks amazing. It looks great with my purse as well, so I do like that. So there you go. Just thought I'd show you one of my purses that I love dearly. I just think it's one of the cutest, most adorable purse that I own. I will have to talk to you about my other vintage purse eventually. I don't use it that often, but it is one of my top favorites. So, and so is this one. So you guys, anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching my video, and give me a thumbs up, and obviously subscribe to my video and click on that bell so you'll get notifications every time I do a video. So you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you guys. Bye.